Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the cache on your iPhone inevitably grows larger and larger the more that you use it. Essentially, these are downloaded files and resources on your iPhone to help make it run faster and smoother after you've already used certain apps and websites. However, at a certain point, it takes up tons of data on your phone, and it's good to clear that out. Let's do exactly that. First, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on General. Scroll down, tap on iPhone Storage. You'll be able to see all of the apps, including how much space or storage is left on your phone. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on System Data at the bottom. This is essentially the size of the cache. You can see system data includes caches, logs, and other resources currently in use by the system, and it does fluctuate. I've seen these as large as 25 gigabytes worth of space in your system data. Let's whittle away at that and start to reduce it. One way to do that is to tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap it until you get to the beginning of your settings. Tap on Search at the bottom and search for Safari. Tap on Safari at the top. Scroll down. Tap on Advanced at the bottom. Tap on Website Data at the top. You'll be able to see all of the cached website data associated with Safari. Let's delete out all of this. You can see almost 800 megabytes. Tap Edit at the top right to individually delete these, or you can go to the bottom and tap on Remove All Website Data and tap on Remove Now. Now we've cleared the cache within Safari, but some people use Google Chrome instead. So let's do the same thing in Chrome. Exit out of the Settings app. Tap on Google Chrome on your iPhone. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Scroll over until you find History. Tap on History. Tap on Delete Browsing Data. Make sure to select in time range all time. Tap on Browsing Data and make sure that cached images and files, as well as cookies, tabs, and browsing history is selected. Tap on Confirm at the top right. Tap on Delete Data. This will delete out all of the cache for both Safari as well as Google Chrome. Now let's delete the cache for certain apps that are ballooning. To do that, hop out here. Tap on the Settings app again. Tap back until you get to the beginning of your settings. From the beginning of your settings, scroll down. Tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Again, this shows you all of the apps that are on your iPhone. There are a bunch of different apps that get incredibly large. In this case, you can see certain apps like TikTok and CapCut. To be able to reduce the size of these, tap on TikTok, for instance. Tap Offload app, tap Offload, and then immediately after it's offloaded, tap Reinstall. You can see it's currently at 1.4 gigabytes worth of data, including the app and the cache. However, after it's reinstalled, all of those cache files will be deleted. I can go back here and you can see CapCut. I can tap on that as well. Tap Offload app, and then immediately after, tap Reinstall app. Just go through the list. I usually do this on any apps that get to be over 1 gigabyte. Unfortunately, you cannot do the same for the Photos app or any of the built-in apps like Messages or Mail. However, in Messages, you can tap on it and you can review large attachments if you wanted to delete those to help free up space, but that's not necessarily cached files on your phone. Tap the back arrow, and now you can see TikTok, which was 1.4 gigabytes, now is only 500 megabytes, and it's significantly reduced the size. The last thing you can do to help free up space in that system data or the cache is a force restart on your phone. To do that, press the volume up, press the volume down, press and hold the side button on the right until you see an Apple logo. I'll walk you through those steps. Volume up, volume down, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even though it says slide to power off. Eventually, your iPhone screen will go black completely. And after it goes black, keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, lift your fingers up and you've done a force restart or a hard restart on your iPhone, again, clearing up tons of cache on there. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.